Welcome. If you've ever wanted to customize the sound that plays when someone adds you on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to change that notification sound easily using your phone settings. Whether you want something more subtle or something that truly catches your attention, you can make those changes in just a few taps. First, unlock your phone and open your device's Settings app. This is where you control most of your app's behavior, including notifications. Once you're in Settings, look for the section labeled Apps or Applications and tap on it. This will bring up a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Scroll through this list and find Snapchat. Tap on Snapchat to open the app-specific options. Here you'll see various settings related to the app, but the one we want to focus on is Notifications. Tap on Notifications to proceed. Inside the Notifications menu, you might see a variety of notification categories related to Snapchat activities such as messages, stories, and friend requests. Look for the option called Notification Categories and tap on it. This will show you different types of notifications you can customize for Snapchat. Under the notification categories, locate the Friends section, then tap on the option labeled Added You. This is the key notification type that alerts you when someone adds you on Snapchat. Now, within the Added You notification settings, you'll see the Sound option. Tap on Sound, and you'll be presented with a list of available notification sounds on your device. You can scroll through and select whichever sound appeals to you most for your Added You notifications. Once you pick your preferred sound, it's automatically saved, so you can back out of the settings and continue using your phone as usual. From now on, whenever someone adds you on Snapchat, you'll hear the new sound you chose, and that's it. Changing your Snapchat Added You notification sound is straightforward when you know where to look. Customize it to fit your style or make it stand out so you never miss a new friend request again. Thanks for watching.